Hello, everybody. Welcome to another video of live discussion on the mathematics problem of class 12. Yesterday we have done and we have solved question up to till 2017. 2017 doctor. We question ngarang na now. We are going to deal with 2018 remaining year question paper. Ngasigidi ako'y yam kana sangro lecture mande because according to what is only for 2 years. So let's see how it works out, right? Work out okay, let's try to find it out. Now, here we have a question. 2018 the question to the Payautre, they have asked on another piece, right? Hmm. So we will discuss of 2019. 2019 question paper. So here it's question number 9 when you also, but 9 no either. So let me write down like this. If dy by dx is given as y by x, we have to prove that d2y by dx squared is 0 and the mark allotted is 1 mark, right? And the mark allotted is how much? It's 1 mark, right? Now, yes, how to solve this? Yeah, solution. So, what is given here? dy by dx is given as y by x. Now, going to prove solution d2y by dx squared hyphen. So, we know d2y by dx squared hyphen it is d by dx of kanagi dy by dx, right? Now, let's try to differentiate the value. Now, dy by dx it is y by x. Okay. Now let's try to find it out. Apply what? Apply division rule of differentiability. Adi makadali function zigi square and then x dy by dx minus y times of, right? So far, just we have to apply the division rule of differentiability, right? Okay. Now, what do you x square x into now. So yauriba dy by dx ti kya gamane y by x. So koi na si mo to kya put down y by x minus yengo sida y letter dx by dx ti kya tha 1. Now again x come cancel to be. So what we are left with matak to koi leise kaino y minus y divided by x square. Y minus y is 0 tare, so the answer is 0. So this is the answer, right? Yani go. So minus koi na what pagi 1. So we don't have any issue. In any issue later it's very easy. Similar type of question we have done on the previous lecture, previous video. Now let me find out another question. You can see. Okay, log the question and let's try to find it out. Okay. Okay, here we have another question of 2019. Find dy by dx if x to the power y to the power x a to the power b, right? This type of question we have already done in the past, and I hope you can do it. Okay, okay. Yes. So what is given here? Given here is x to the power y plus y to the power x a to the power b. Now moving left side to like addition of the terms, addition of two terms of log share lower. We are not going to take the log. Instead, we are going to differentiate. It have the sum or difference let them target the log low no log low we can't ability. So we have to differentiate. Differentiate already क्या था d by dx a to the power b, right? Now what is the value? So let's call this as d by dx u है and this as d by dx v, and this is 0. A to the power b है it's going to be a constant number. Constant differential authority क्या आता है 0 था, so right hand side is going to be 0, right? And let we call as 1. So the going to load it use x to the power y, b is na kari y to the power x. Now all we have to do is we have to find du by dx and dv by dx. Yes, one by one we will find the value. Now we can see. So what is u? U the log x to the power y. Power z is a variable and a complex power, so you have to take the log on both sides. Log lotion the power to mamang the lani, and then you will have y log s. Ang samge ko mamang the su concepts already I have discussed. So now ako the puto y na d by dx, so differentiate tawro y log s. Log differentiate tawro क्या था 1 by u, right? कहीं से composition of function we have to apply करी chain rule को log तो हाना differentiate तौर and the का मनुंग दिले पोतो है तो du by ds. सिले इसने करी product function, so y d by dx log x plus log of x kari dy by dx. So this will implies 1 by u du by dx तुम लेजिशन, right? And y into log x differentiate तो क्या था it is going to be 1 by x plus log of x and dy by dx. So ako na putok to si kayo dy by dx, so we will see dy by dx as it is dum thamta. Okay, now aduga amu kari ako na putok to si du by dx ni. So sidagi what is your du by dx? So therefore du by dx I do u na multiply to u na multiply to have to x to the power y by x plus log of x dy by dx star, right? Now similarly same procedure we are going to follow for v. V na kaya mane hai y to the power x kay log tare log tare log the power to mang the lani, so x log of y. Now differentiate amuk tauro husi, you have to differentiate okay log b अभी तरी कहता है 1 by b dv by dx equal to product of the two function, product of function differentiate तब है तारा का b here, right? Follow first function में वन thang do, second function differentiate तौरो second function तो मुक thang do, and then first function तो मुक differentiate तौरो है भी. So तरी के 1 by b dv by dx equal to x. यहाँ log y differentiate तौरो क्या function? It is 1 by y, right? Chain rule apply तो मुझे log hand differentiate तौरो 1 by y मुक differentiate तौरो so dy by dx equal to log of y dx by dxt 1. Since up to now we are getting this, right? Now matang yes what is dv by dx? Dv by dxt v is na multiply taurani, that means we have y to the power x by y dy by dx plus log of y. Is that okay? Sibuk later. Now du by dx dv by dx now we will put the values in equation number 1, right? Right? Now let's put the value, putting du by dx dv by dx in where? In 1 the put yung what is du by dx? Du by dx I would open a function x to the power y divided by y by x plus log of x dy by dx plus amana kari. What is dv by dx? Y to the power x. And what is dv by dx? Y to the power x. X by y. X by y. Then what? X by y that we have, not log dy by dx plus kari log of y is equal to 0. But I'm going to put up this now dy by dx. Now x to the power y is a position taragadi. What we are getting? X to the power y minus 1 into y amma plus xy log x dy by dx plus yx na sida puri taragadi power mathak lesson x makada leiba power of y is 1, so it will be y to the power x minus 1 x dy by dx plus yx log y equal to 0. Now yes, dy by dx is the mayawe, so dy by dx yaw terms in punjalani yaw the terms in we will transfer on the right hand side transfer to adu ita diyo dy by dx yaw terms in punjan taragati what common we can take upon a low we are x to the power of y log x plus similar, okay, and then minus y x to the power y minus 1 minus yx log y, right? Now see minus any maki common. See this one thang loki is right side of thang kan minus lakan. Minus a common in is minus my log. Okay, so the lowest, so dy by dx kaya manani minus of y into x to the power of y minus 1 plus yx log of y divided by what we have x into y to the power x minus 1 plus x to the power of y log of x. So mina thanamaga dum yare. Okay. So it's my thanamasu yare. Okay. Next, let's move to the next question. So again, I'm gonna simplify the way I do not open more, but it's more than enough. So mina thanamaga dum yare. Okay. Now let's discuss the next question. Matang karamba question lady is. Or chali actually. See question jiga. See question jiga. Atopa mo or chal question. Or amalay ko ka. Ado mo yes. Right. So or chal question says the high say. When if x to the power y to e to the power x minus y the man prove that. This is a live question. Similar type of question we have already done, right? Log of exi, I don't know what kind of mayam is ex whole square command in a proof the y. Here as you see how to prove this. Came down here like this is the mamang the one to question me am to chamanare natra, right? Chamanare. Question to here like this is a log key question. So given for the pyramid, you know, for the pyramid x to the power y do e to the power x minus y. Log by abra, yeah, Kisukai Leramis in the variables ki power magtaki. So we have to take log on both the sides. Log low salo. Among the man of question what but I'm doing this again. You know y has a power ni y among the line y log x. Now log of e the 1 tie. So it will be how much? Y minus x minus y tie. When I give the log of e has a 1 gamane. The log of e to the power x minus y the x minus y adum tagane. Yeah, go. Now differentiate towards d by dx y log x differentiate toward the 1 tani minus yeah dy by dx lakan. Right. Now you see y into log x I have product rule palani y thang do ya log x differentiate toward plus log x thang do ya ado kana differentiate toward dy by dx aduga 1 minus dy by dx. So this implies y into log x differentiate to क्या फंगेगा 1 by x plus log of x dy by dx 1 minus dy by dx. But the proof to dy by dx I mean dy by dx our term din jana punna bona batai. So sta minus lai banina somna thango aduga sila ro term jina right hand side to thangro, right? So the koi kai phangani so this will implies log of x dy by dx. See minus is on the thang plus la ani, so it will be dy by dx equal to 1 minus kya lapa y minus x. So this is what we are getting right now. So sini pangise. Now continue to common law 11 sides. If you take the common on the 11 side, dy by dx common law taradi, what is left? Log x plus 1 lemon, right? And how about the right hand side? Right hand side, if you take LCM and all that, so this will be x divided by x minus y, right? Okay. Now let me call this as the equation C1 and I this let me call this as 1 and I. Okay, this part y log x kya ka mane hai x minus y ka mane hai. Okay, you know why? Because why we are going to use this? Because about the say dy by dx, so log x divided by log ex whole square happens. The like can right hand side like say it's all the power of all the variable so the variables only the variable of x. X never y yaubra yaudi. But the koi the yaudi is the y yaudi. So we don't want that. Adu dona kar kadawni x minus y is mahutta from equation 1. We have to put this y log x. So put oxalagi in come. The first dy by dx put oxy. Kya ka mana raheba? It is x minus y x into 1 plus kari log of x. See later. Up to this we got right now. Yes. X minus y though, x minus y though it is nothing but y of log x and divided by how much? X 1 plus log x star. Up to this is okay. All right. Oh, now the software is hang. Software just wait for some time. Yare ko. Yare, I hope so. So dy by dx okay ka mana reba x minus y by x later 1 plus log x. Now again ako ni yung dy by dx to kay ka mana yan proof to hai no log x divided by log ex whole square ka y si yaw bra y si yaw di at tadi y si in terms of x ta ko na put down na ba khana batay, right? Okay, or instead of this yang sulit smai tawasi so from 1 yung ko nakan da ing from 1 da ko da pyramid kay no y of log x to kya ka mane hai ba x minus y ka mane hai. Now parena je c tawram dra su yar po c to kisi ko just remove this part. I just hang on a kind of unnecessary. Ako the proof to why kay no yung focus on the part dy by dx to function of x needs the y yaw bra right hand side to y am to yaw de ko. So the y am to yaw de only x katani aduna yaring ko na y do delete to id y gi muta x to option na ba na batay the y log x kya ka mane hai ba x minus y ka mane. So from here we try to find out y was in pull on the y log x plus y kya ka mane ni x ka mane so that the y di kya ka mane this. So therefore y has a kya mane x divided by 1 plus log x and high by right? So aduna put to salon dy by dx kya la the into 1 plus log of x equal to x minus y mo to kay put to x divided by 1 plus log of x. Okay. Right, samjal laga dum loisalam basu yara pone. But anyway, noi bi kano tawdana shortcut tawda bidako. 1 plus log x. Now yung LCM lauro matakta LCM lauro di kay tani matak is 1 plus log x tani have the x 1 plus log x tarani and then x into kaya lapa 1 plus log of x minus of x tarakan. Okay, kitang sum ko no dum taw zero calculation dudi adum noi adum hay gadaw ngatan is the easy calculation. Aduna se kay 1 plus log of x divided by x ko 1 plus log of x. Now so the x ka common. If you take it outside, kay lemma 1 plus log x ama first term the lemma second term the minus 1. So you cancel this. Okay, cancel tawre. Yeah, so the dy by dx to hojik fangi se sibu fange. Let's move to the next page. Hojik ko na kay haba dy by dx 1 plus log of x to kay fange ba matak to fangi se. So we are getting x log x makada na x 1 plus log x. That's it. Sinatra ko na pangrito. Right? Sila. Now start yung x ka kada way cancel to way. Right? Ado itadi dy by dx every kay tamana re. dy by dx is log x divided by 1 plus log x. Yung sige log x is that laan anirak lakan. Anirak adi makada multiply cross multiply talk target. Power kaya lakan whole square. But asida ko na fangwa do natte ko da fang ay something atopa ni derive to the ya now ay na 1 ay kay gamana ko 1 hay se kaya natin log i gamana. So 1 mo to kan kay ibe log i ibe right matak di kem leng uran makha se amuk kay ha ko na log ani add to ba ba se ha na log a plus log b hay se kay gamana ko log of ab puri na ko mana hai aduna se like log e plus log x hay se kay gamana log of e into x whole square, and this is what we need to prove. Asine ko na prove to and hence prove lowest. Sige wanita kasi lu yaw mo natin it's all that easy questions, right? Easy questions nga ni kasi to the yaw mo natin. The thing is that no na kitang kano to the way one kitang pasan daw kitang ako like to listen to ko sa tang ngaw bugiwan. But I want to see the river property say see another property in out there this CJ Hana already sin nagrava natin. Okay. Now let's move to 2020. 2020 the council the kari question paper hangi yang se ko. So let me check the question. Meanwhile you just copy it down. And check the organization no is copy down to. Yang kari yaw na ko. See question dito ko tawag re. So I'm not 2020 the question I'm gonna hang 4 marks ta, right? See ma po na si. Okay, 8 marks ta hang. Let's move to the next question. Yani ko. See ko dito to. Okay, next question I'm done using. This is from 2020. Right, here what is given is that if cos inverse x by a alpha prove that will be cos of alpha plus y square by b square को क्या मानेगा sin square alpha का मार्क क्या 4 marks ऐसे prove तो है बने. Okay, now ये नस कहीं से pyramid है cos inverse x by a plus cos inverse y by b क्या मानेगा alpha. Now alpha is an angle. Angle ni and constant. Aduna differentiate tawkanda se zero chakki. Now akoina yengba yabasi kaino sida. Yeah, left side te laise kaino. It is a sum of two terms. Aduna koi log yagadra or log yagadra yaro. So let's try to differentiate. Aduna lo differentiate tors nakanin d by dx cos inverse x by a plus d by dx cos inverse y by b equal to d by dx alpha, right? Similarly, okay, now sidagi there mayam we mayam da koi hot pe now in hangi questions sida nangna si u as a u ko variable lo ro hot ke have, right? U equal to cos inverse x by a, right? Adu da hot ke have or log se lago hot ke have adu na case ama low the with that direct composition of function or chain rule pan have, that is up to you. Anyway, let's try to discuss that. Yang aduna si kay tani d by dx cos inverse x by a plus d by dx cos inverse y by b equal to 0. So let it be 1. Right? That's equation 1 in the higher resolution. Next, yang has it makada. So when I put to say d by dx of cos inverse x by y. Now, let ironic cos inverse x by in the colors. Okay, yeah, this is what we have. Now the either you can do like this. See cos from the cos u lan and then x by a lakan. Now differentiate with respect to x. Cos u differentiate minus of sin u into kari du by dx. X by a that means 1 by a. Constant and what is left? X dx by dx 1. What we are getting here is that so what is du by dx? Du by dx is minus 1 by a sin u ni fangis. Okay? Cos u na kya taba x by a that is sin u se put back tawge hai taraga d. Now cos let's try to use this cos square u sin square u se kya kamani 1. So therefore sin of u di kya kamani under root of 1 minus cos square u. So this will be under root 1 minus cos u ki value di kya cos u ki value di here. The value of cos u is how much? X by a. So it will be x by a whole square. My thumb okay, right? So if you take the LCM and all that, so it will be a square minus x square divided by a square I will be 1 by a under root a square minus x square. Sangman gramale. Sangman da the u b na thamsira. Yaro this. Again we will have a problem. Yare. So this is du by dx kay tare. So du by dx minus yamo hanagi em measure as sin u gi em ga, so it will be a square and then under root of how much? A square minus x square. So this is our du by dx. Matang ang mo yan si. Ato pa method tum hot pusu yai ko. Sida nang na direct atum differentiate tawramaga. Right? Ako ay na hay si ko. D by dx cos inverse x to kya gamanay. This under root of kari 1 minus x square na minus na sumain tawraga as de ko ala su pesu kai de ko. We will get the same value, right? So nang na apam. Okay. I hot pa method sinang after chum may have like right? You can use any other method. The thing is that we answer to tahalagal way. Okay. Now let's move to the another part. Now let arrow v to na kay when zeba nga sa put ama yaw do what is that? Sila cos inverse y by b. What's na cos inverse y by b has cos v is equal to kya? Y by b. Right. Now, see this differentiate with respect to x. Cos b, the b has a constant upon so we are left with dy by dx. Okay, right? Now, cos v differentiate minus sin v into how much we have? dv by dx is equal to 1 by b dy by dx. So therefore, dv by dx से कई का मान है db by dx आए से minus sin b से सोमदे लाने को minus 1 by b sin of v and then dy by dx. Is that okay? Right? Now, sin v की values इन्हें कोई ना उजित दरकार और the value of sin cos v की values दरकार है कोई ना कहीं है वो cos square v plus sin square v से क्या का मान है वो 1. So this implies sin of v से क्या का मान है 1 minus cos square v. So this is 1 minus cos v क्या का मान है y by b whole square. So if you do the calculation and all that, तो क्या आता है this is b square minus y square under root divided by क्या b. So therefore db by dx I was it is nothing but minus b masai ले जा रहा है b में का so it will be b square under root b square minus y square dy by dx. Is that okay? C बुंग ने हो जाए कोई दा लाइरिवा values है right? Okay, proof तो है ना we have to prove something. X square by a square minus twice x y ab cos alpha चीज़ें क्या का मान है बस sin square alpha का मान है ना कोई दा proof तो है बनी. Okay, is it? Oh सीधी ऐना ताऊ सीधी differentiation की value can होना तब हम मान लें. Just let me check the question. ये सीधा तो question ना बनी. Sorry. सीधी inverse trigonometric function की ना ऐना dy by dx याव बना. सीधी ताऊ रनो. सी ऐना ताऊ से लाले को. So सीधी this is another method. I thought this is the dy by dx याव बना खालो. This is inverse trigonometric function, okay? Inverse trigonometric की नहीं सीधी क्या नोगी नोगी नत्ते differentiation की नत्ते ऐना ताऊ से सोए. So I see तो आन बा method नमा apply तो बता बनी. Okay? सीधी कोई ना cos की value ये ऐना सीधी ने को सीधी कोई ना value उमले इतना cos inverse x plus cos inverse y दो क्या का माने है बा cos inverse what is that x y what is that सीधी ने inverse trigonometric function की माँ की formula दो right cos a cos b है बता कहना तो से समाई तरह का सीधे वाला का दो नहीं को सीधी inverse trigonometric function की नहीं I know whole is a लाल है. This is not related with your right confused वाले issue को. This is not your differentiation question. अदु ना this is not related with your question. Okay? ID differentiation का क्रम तब मरी लेना वो question नती है. इन differentiation दा हो चले जे. This is my fault. Right? See differentiation का क्रम लेना मरी लेना वो question नती. Okay. इन question yang how दा begin. Right. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. This is not related with your this one. Yeah. See question is the way what create na amuk to udra su yadi are 2020. Okay. Question ona tena silambani question is maning ma oram. If x to the power a y to the power b is equal to x plus y to the power a plus b. सीधी ममांग द हंगरे repeated question ni ai mamang da solve to gramani prove that dy by dx to kai ga mana है ना y by x provided ay not equal to bx. सीधी mamang da ina mamang da solve to gramani so I don't think that I need to solve this question. Asi question jai solve to दरकार ओइदबरा है खल यारे को सो आई हिंट पिरम के मुक्सु still is a kind of x to the power a y to the power b still is a kind of product of two function so hint ta kun tawje kan log salo de kai lakani log y b right hand side na kai lakani a plus b log of x plus y then adu mutung da kai dawro differentiation tawro left hand side and right hand side and you will get the answer sige je akoi na mawang da dum what kraban next one mark question amani yauri asi what pang amani ko asi question this same question we have already done we have already solved so do na ai cannot ai amona ai whatever let's move to the next question so the has another question 2020 if y is a sin 3x minus b cos 3x find d2y by dx square in terms of y. One mark d2y by dx to in terms of y the ey. So let's try to solve this. See the answer y to kai maneva a sin 3x minus b cosine 3x d2y by dx square puto kaya tadi first we need to find dy by dx by dx puto a cos 3x into 3 then no difference plus 3b sine 3x right 3 common log there so we will have a cos 3x plus b sine 3x later dy by dx now d2y by dx square to dy by dx you dy by dx later 3 ni 3 jama palan 3 jama pan thang doro constant so we are having dy by dx a cosine 3x plus b sine 3x so term by term ho jike do differentiate amu tawras okay let's continue d2y by dx square do yala 3 right yang differentiate to y je kana kana nu dx na siyo a hai ju constant si ti mapan thang do ro dum right do manung le hu kari cos 3x to hai so ko le hu a cos 3x e ram ju je kitang sang samjan bayan plus b d by dx sine of 3x ni lai this right that is 3 times of a into your cos difference to the minus sine 3x 3x difference to the 3 plus b times of sine difference to the we will have cos 3x into 3 this is what we got now ado ita di mo kari common no this 3 and this 3 common take it outside 3 ado mapana na 3 ngale so that will be 9 aduga kai fangani minus a sine 3x plus b cosine 3x now see minus se amu kamal log tok tara ka di minus 9 a sine 3x minus b cosine 3x now akoi da puthwa kyung akoi da ira moi d2y by dx in terms of y hai pani aduna y di kai ga mane a sine 3x minus b cos 3x sila is y right eta di kya ga mane minus 9y and that's your answer okay and very quickly let's deal with the one mark question next one so the what is define derivative of function define derivative of a function fx at a point x equal to 0 x equal to 0 the derivative put y bani derivative to define the y bani and what is the answer answer ko ko na function derivative of a function kaida x equal to 0 da ba ji kamaina. It is nothing but limit x tends to 0 hairo fx minus f of 0 divided by x minus 0. So minus thamasu yare answer the 1 mark equation. Now next question 1 mark tamal. So the height is in a state general for finding the derivative of composite function. Of a composite function, right? 1 mark. Last question. The composite function is derivative to kamaina putokada again haibani. So composite function hai tadi kaina. Composite function hai tadi is nothing but function of a function. The function amagi manungda kayawa function amamu yausan bhai tare. Adu ki derivative ne. Now so answer da koina answer da kama igida gi hai answer da dy by dx, okay, f g of x sides. ID yung f ay function am lere manung da kai g am lere g sina kana gi function x function g je x function f sina kana function g gi function si je derivative tau ga ta di kana han derivative tau ni first f se derivative tau ni kana da with respect to g da and then akoi na haibu mapalom de su manung um changwa ID f to han differential tau ni kana da with respect to g adu mutung g do kana da with respect to x. So this is the answer. 1 mark. So I do nang sang let f and g be the function and all that. So do mine iram or 1 mark. So mine just if you write this, you will get the marks. Don't worry. Okay, see up to 2020 book we have done this ID continuity and differentiability. Now leave on the comment section da koi thanamo mathang kari chapter tausige habiduma. Aduga mayamna kano torokpa pirakpa comment ki matuna we will start with the new chapter. Okay, so comment box ta iramo kari chapter hana tohoningi no haibado. Okay then, thank you once again. Let's wind up here for today. We will meet tomorrow, and don't forget to write your chapter. Nangi chapter do karamba chapter mathang kana jige habdo adu akoi kano torom iram. So continuity and differentiability this is the lower. Okay then, have a great day everybody.